In organizations where business and IT are regarded as separate organizational functions, IT transformation is often used to denote major change that improves how IT services are provided. IT transformation is focused on how IT services and information systems are developed, run, and supported. This can include decentralizing the IT function and integrating it into digital lines of business. Before they undergo a digital transformation, organizations are managed separately from their IT service providers, whether internal or external. An IT service provider is focused on the management of IT resources to create and deliver IT products and services, whereas a service consumer is focused on the management of its products, services, and resources, including those delivered or supported by the IT service provider. As shown in Model 1, acting as a consumer, this organization may influence the management of the service provider. Model 2 shows that the IT service provider and service consumer can both transform their management, resources, products, and services. These transformations can be interrelated, but they do not significantly change the way these organizations work together or the role of IT in the service consumer organization. When the organizations undergo a digital transformation, the role of digital technology in the service consumer's business significantly changes. As seen in the picture, this includes digitization of the organization's products and services and digitization of the organization's management practices. It also consists of digitization of a significant part of the organization's resources and the integration of IT management into business management. When business and IT are not regarded as separate organizational functions, as is the case in most digital organizations, IT transformation is not an appropriate term to use. Digital transformation should be used instead.